Hey there, nature lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the stunning beauty of Lake Ohau in the South Island of New Zealand. Lake Ohau is a picturesque body of water located in the Mackenzie district in the heart of the Southern Alps. The lake is known for its crystal clear waters surrounded by towering mountains and lush green forests. It's a popular spot for fishing, boating, and water sports enthusiasts, as well as for those who just want to relax and enjoy the breathtaking scenery. Lake Ohau is also a haven for wildlife, with native birds like the New Zealand falcon and the South Island pied-still calling it home. The lake is a great place to spot these amazing creatures in their natural habitat. The lake's tranquil waters are also a great spot for stargazing, as the skies over Lake Ohau are some of the clearest and darkest in the world. The lack of light pollution and the remote location make it an ideal spot for astronomers and stargazers alike. Lake Ohau is a popular destination for hikers, with several trails leading to the lake from the surrounding mountain. The hike to Lake Ohau is a challenging but rewarding experience with stunning views of the lake and the surrounding mountains. In the winter, Lake Ohau transforms into a winter wonderland with snow-capped mountains and frozen waterfalls. It's a great spot for snow sports with skiing and snowboarding available at the nearby Ohai snowfields. Lake Ohau is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to New Zealand. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and connect with nature. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and head to Lake Ohau for an unforgettable experience in the heart of New Zealand's stunning landscape. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of Lake Ohau. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel destinations. Until next time, happy travels!
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination. Turn right onto Ohau Drive. Continue on Lake Ohau Road for 1 kilometer.
Wala na, tapos nang, yan na yung lake na yan. Masan? Ganda na pag nag-winter, ano? Kasi may lake, tapos may mga mountains. Marami dito.
Malga oh.
Kaya nga.
Maganda dito tayo mag-camping. Punta ba dito? Saan yung ano?
Turn right onto Ohau.
Ohau Drive.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Ah, mga hotel.
Oo nga.
Hotel.
Ayan, nagkakulay-kulay naman na yung video ko. Medyo nagkulay-kulay na.
Ang ganda dito. Oh. Kala mo yung sulok-sulok lang, walang bag. Yun. Saan? Ganda dito. Babaw ang isip ko. Mali ko tayo?
Diretso.
Diretso lang.
Diyan tayo nag-ano dati.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right. Right.
8642. Galing ah. Saan yung natin yan? Dito yata.
Diretso. Diretso.
Parang dito yun.
Dito yata.
Mga bahay dito. 8.
Diretso pa. 18.
6 units.
Ganda pala dito.
Ang ganda na.
Saan kayo sa 10? Para sa ano? Pag mainit.
10. 11.
Baka doon sa kulay gray. Ay, oo, dyan sa kulay gray. Kasi yung laban sa kalutuan dito eh. Saka yung shower. Dito oh. Dyan yan sa kulay gray.
Dito.
Oh, 16, 15. Diyan tayo
Ay,
oh.
dito. Mapasok dito.
Ay, oo. Diyan tayo sa maliit.
Cute na.
Ang kurukyat. Ang kurukyat.
Sakit na daw ng ano?
Oo, dito.
16, 17?
Oo.
Ah, dito tayo. 16. Ay,
Kasi
17.
sa 18 tayo. Dito tayo.
17, 18.
Oo.
Saan natin haharap?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo. Aray, asan yung mga ano?